Through the years, Philippines is well known for having a unique culture, and part of it is the remarkable delicacies which only prove that Filipinos are really food lovers. One of the Philippines' pride is found in Pateros, which is the balut. Pateros is famous for its balut industry since 1700, when the name Pateros was coined from the word pato, which means duck that lay eggs for balut making. Balut is a fertilized duck egg with a nearly developed embryo that is boiled and eaten in the shell. Balut making is a simple process. First, the fertilized eggs are kept warm in the sun and stored in baskets to retain their warmth.
Siya, mapapailalim na yan.
Buti hindi po nababasag kahit ganun-ganun.
Nababasag din, hindi mababasag. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos bukas na ulit, ano yan, gagalawin.
Bukas na gagawin, tapos ililipat.
Ito naman ililipat.
Yan naman ang lalagay dito.
Puro ganyan. Paikot siya hanggang dyan. Tapos bukas na ulit.
Fresh eggs that are brought in the factory are being rotated in the baskets every day from its first day to its 8th day to maintain its warm temperature. After 9 days, the eggs are held to a light to reveal the embryo inside. Approximately 8 days later, the balut are ready to be cooked, sold, and eaten. The cooking process is identical to that of hard-boiled chicken eggs and are enjoyed while still warm. In Filipino custom, once the egg is cracked, the broth surrounding the embryo is sipped from the egg before the shell is peeled, and then the yolk and young chick inside can be eaten. Balut are most often eaten with a pinch of salt or vinegar. This guy will demonstrate how Filipinos used to eat balut.
Ito po yung balot. Ganito po kumain ng balot. Ang tawag po dito, balot. Tutok-tok na lang ng ganyan. Tapos, may soup to sa loob. Ito yung suka. Nalagyan na sa bubuhusan na dahan-dahan na. Nakasim. May sisiw to, may sisiw. Balot. Kahit ano unahin nyo, pwede nyo unahin yung shell. Hindi kaya yung balot. Dahan-dahan na kain. Mahakap yung balot. Mahakap po yung balot. Pagkain Pinoy ito, solid Pinoy.
Filipinos believe that balut gives our body energy and supplies it with enough nutrition.
Palakas ng tuhod.
Bakit sa tingin niyo po kailangan tangkalikin ng Pinoy ang balut?
Siyempre, unique to, nag-iisa lang to. Tayo lang ang meron nito. Tayo lang ang magawa ng masarap na balot.
Philippines is indeed one of a kind. Our own balut is really exceptional, for it reflects Filipino culture from its processing to its preparation to the way we eat it. As the cliche says, tatak Pinoy.